Hey guys, Keith here from Injector-Rehab. Today's video is a little announcement of something we're going to start doing. We're going to try to start doing on a regular basis here. The idea came to us from, well, actually my father had given me the idea and said, you should start doing that more often. It was pretty funny. And I didn't think it was at the time because it sort of annoys us over here. But the idea was we posted a video on our Instagram account of unpackaging a set of BMW piezoelectric injectors, where customers sent in a box this big with no packaging whatsoever, just threw the injectors in there, shipped them off. And you know, those things used are almost $200 a piece, and they sent 6 of them in. So you know, brand new, they're $2,000 set of injectors that not a care in the world just sent them in. Other people on the other hand send them in and take such time, you know, preparing these things to send in, and use the craziest packing material that they just have laying around, that it's actually comical. I mean, it's funny. We had so many messages about that set of injectors coming in, the unpackaging thing that we're going to do. So we're going to try and do it on a regular basis now. I mean, we get the craziest, you know, the craziest things. Like a box similar to this size here will have 4 injectors in it, packaged up in material like bubble wrap, like as if, I don't know, if it was China. it's crazy. We get constantly dirty rags like this. People working on their cars, filthy, greasy, dirty rags. They'll take one injector, wrap it in 2 different towels, so we'll get 16 towels in. If you know, that we have to unpack and do something with, throw them away. We get beach towels, bath towels, brand new ones. The one guy sent a message in with their, "Don't tell my wife I sent in her brand new towels." You know, we get there you go, bubble wrap completely around this thing, and you know, it's just insane. There's probably a bag inside of there as well. We'll get people to send them in bags, inside of bags, inside of another bag, inside of another bag, and there'll be literally 100 bags at the end of unpackaging someone's injectors. Paper towels is another one that we get all the time. People using it. This guy used staples on that. He stapled together paper towels to send us injectors. We'll get people that send an entire roll of paper towels in there, then package them inside of a a bath towel. It's nuts. Oh, so it's a Yamaha 115 injector. So yeah, it's one of those things that it really annoys us here, but when you think about it, it is pretty funny. You know, these are the people that are walking around amongst us, and they thought this was a good idea of how they do it. I don't know that I would walk into a grocery store and, you know, see a guy there and be like, that guy there, he's buying those Ziploc bags to package his injectors up and send them off to Injector-Rehab. It's just nuts. So yeah, we're going to try and do that. Some of these aren't, you know, that funny. There's hopefully some material in here that's going to teach people what not to do and not how to send them in, and waste all this material for packaging and all the time packaging it up. But you know, teach people that you don't, you know, what you should do and what you shouldn't do. People send them in with no name on the box, no paperwork. We have no idea whose they are, so we just throw them in the lost and found pile until somebody claims them. Not our fault. We can't help what people send in and what they tell us what they are sending in. So anyway, hopefully you guys find a series of videos that we're going to be putting out as comical as we find it here sometimes. You know, myself and the other guys in the shop, it cracks us up of what people actually think is a good idea of sending their injectors in, and hopefully you guys at home will appreciate it as well. We'll see you soon.